I think it's so much fun when you get to the closing table and they're there so excited and you get to hand them the keys. One of the things that I bring to the table for my clients is that I'm literally always available 24/7. I have put offers at 1 in the morning, 3 in the morning. Doesn't matter what time, if my client needs me, I'm there for them. I know that every realtor likes to talk about their most successful experience, but I'm not gonna do that. In this specific sale, everything that could have gone wrong did. The house wasn't ready when we needed it to be. Their offer couldn't get approved and the interest on the home was so high. But I was able to handle all of those things and I made the sale happen. I got their offer approved over several ones. I got them the best interest possible and I made sure that the house was ready when we needed it to be. We made it all the way to the closing table and I was so happy to give them the keys to their new home. My name is Gabriela Arias and I would love to help you find your spot.